and gentlemen, this is your boy Ferris here, and I am coming to you alive and just here to tell you this Xbox smells better than its predecessor and its namesake, Dior Sauvage. It just does to me. I guess it's really because of the pineapple note that this one has. It just has a little bit more character. Where this one, you can tell I've worn it pretty good. Worn a pretty good notch into it. Smells good, but on this, that juicy pineapple on the Xbox, it just reigns a little bit better. The note breakdown on them is pretty much the same. Let me see. Whereas, you gotta go in here, as Dior Sauvage, like I said, had the pineapple note to it. Dior Sauvage has a Calabrian bergamot pepper, Szechuan pepper in the mid notes, lavender, pink pepper, vetiver, patchouli, geranium, elemi. Base notes, ambroxan, cedarwood, and lavender. And it is described as having a off of Fragrantica, what people say Fragrantica ain't that noteworthy, but I've checked on the sites and it had some of the similar things. Fresh spice is described as the main accord. It's fresh, spicy, amber, citrus, aromatic, musky, woody, lavender, herbal, warm, and spicy. Did I say lavender? Yeah, it does has that lavender in there. Now the pineapple vintage is described as the main accords. This right here, the pineapple vintage Xbox, is described as fruity, which would be the more forward smelling pineapple that's on it. Amber, woody, sweet, aromatic, citrus, musky, fresh and spicy, tropical, and lavender. Like I said, its main top notes are pineapple, black currant instead of black pepper, and lemon. The middle notes have bergamot, lavender, Virginia cedar, and neroli. The base notes is where it comes into play. It has the ambroxan, patchouli, and vetiver. And I guess it's the vetiver note that's in this spray in the Xbox. I just got back. This is my second bottle. Actually, this is my second bottle of it. I had to get it because I was tired of smelling kind of plain. It just smells a little plain to me. It is a pricey. Now, this is not a cheap cologne. This is a 2017 release from that house, and I think this bottle I paid for the small bottle like $80, about $86, and then that's when after they had like a special going, probably less than that, probably around 75, 60 bucks. But the atomizer on it, lovely, lovely. That fresh pineapple. Love that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And we got a dollop of this. Both the atomizer do a really, really good job. Nice pressurized atomizer. Now, where Dior Sauvage, it smells really clean. It does. I give it that. It smells really clean, but held side by side, let me go get another dab on me. What's the name? Strip. All right. Trying to smell it because now I sprayed both of them. I may have gotten a little bit of one on the other. Let me go do it again. In the air. I'm gonna put this back here. Do it again. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do the Dior Sauvage again. Doesn't smell like anything else. Good spray. I am going nose blind in here. That is Dior Sauvage. Okay. Dior Sauvage. Making sure I get it right. Let me get it right this time. Again, these smell really, really good. I'm mixing them up. Sorry, guys. Okay. Now, on the dry downs, that's when they start to kick in a little bit different. This one, I can smell that pineapple kicking in on the background just a tad bit more, and it just smells good. I don't care what nobody says. Everybody's hyped up about Dior Sauvage. I got it. Most of the Dior fragrances that I've had Allure, I've had Blue de Chanel, and, well, no, that's not Blue de Chanel. Well, yeah. Blue de Chanel, yeah. This one comes off a little bit. This is the Dior Sauvage. This one, where this comes off a lot more soapier. Where this one comes off a lot more fruitier. And I guess it's the aspects. It's missing some notes. It took out the pepper and just gave it a more fruit forward fragrance profile. But yeah, if I had to choose, like I said again, I would always choose Dior, not Dior Sauvage, but I would choose Xbox, because just the character. Smells better, comes in brighter. It just does smell better to me in that way. Let me know down below which of these two fragrances, right, y'all, that you like the best. Which one, if you have it, Xbox or Dior Sauvage. To me, this one wins. No slumping on, the Dior Sauvage. It smells good too. They're both amazing fragrances. But I think this one just added, even though it took out the pepper notes to it, just a little bit more of that fruity freshness. And when it dries down on your shirt, you get all of that pineapple vintage aspect of it, which this actually was, before Dior started doing hybrids, this was the OG hybrid. It's the first one I'd ever seen done before in my life, because Xbox is a cross-up between Aventus, Creed's Aventus, and this right here. So this is what gives it a winner. That Aventus DNA is what gives it that winning, that winning note. To me anyway. So anyway, do your boy a favor, hit that like button and subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of all future uploads I will be having on this channel, just to stay in the loop of whatever it is that I'm doing. And yeah, also too, comment, just tell me what you want. Now, which one is the better clone for you? So with that being said, this has been your boy Ferris, reminding you guys to be blessed and stressed, and always dress your best and smell your best. Peace. Hit that like button, subscribe button.